Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. So this is our 168th lesson in which we do, first of all, we copy the previous session, make it 168. Okay, we copy, yeah, and we make it 36 and we open it. Okay. So in previous session, what we remember, means uh, we managed to migrate our session from the third party initial means ActiveX control to the standard control, which is already there. So we migrated it. Most of the things we copied from the third-party things which we did, and we copied it to the new control. What was the new control? It is the list box normal, right? Because it's same, it provides you the tabulation uh, function in which you can tabulate, in which you can deal with the columns and rows. So this is the standard list box. Is okay. And the previous was this one. And if we check it to right, it brings all the information, but it has stopped functioning because the title in the trial period was expired, and we contacted to them, but they did not uh, respond to our request. So we did not straight away deleted it and then covered it. We first of all made a new page. We made it an old control. A new page was controlled all details, and in here we have managed to uh, make it functional, right? Ensuring that it is doing the right display of our existing purchase order. Okay. Sale order, existing sale order is rightly displayed. So what we do is the first thing that now we remove this one. Okay. So we go to the develop tab, go to this, and then go to the sale order. This is the sale order. Because right thing, right place, yeah. You know that where to approach, right? So this is the thing which we want to remove. We click it here, we do the right click in here, and we delete this page. Okay, we have deleted this page, and what else we when we do such a change, we again go and see if the function it's still working. It is working with no extra page written, and it is showing you all the things, right? So since you have deleted something, right, it is still referencing something. Fair enough. How you have the chance to remove this. This grid view has been deleted. So that's why this is giving one. Okay. So you don't need to this part of the system that was left. Okay. So order to update. So you just remove it as you do. You no longer need this thing. Okay. And wherever you are using it, so you know grade one is the key thing which is going to point you out uh, that what is so grade view one is the thing, right? So wherever it is, yeah, you go and find and you delete it. Mm, Uh, okay, so we delete this. And where else? So we will do say Control F. We will type grid GRD view one. Okay, so we find it everywhere in the project. Current project, yeah. This is already commented. Okay, so okay, this is the initialize grid view for form. Okay, so we do not need this initializing, but uh, it may cause a problem that we might be doing some useful things in it. So let's first of all carefully examine it, that what this function was doing. Was it doing something common feature other than the grid view? And we will continue, we will have to amend it. This was the function. This is the from grid view. This was the redrawing it. That's fine. So it can be removed. It can be removed. All grid view function. Okay. This was all the grid view related things. Nothing that we need now anymore. Okay. So what we do is first of all, we remove everything what is in it. Okay. Hmm. Because this is possible that you might be using it in multiple areas of the program. So what were you doing? You were doing this, right? So what we do, we as soon as you attempt to do this, it will it will crash. So we don't want this. We say that now you can go and whatever you do. So since there is nothing, so we do not remove this. Let it be. Some later stage we will do that. And then we start again the great view search. Okay, and next. So this is already commented, so no need to worry about this. This is the thing which you would like to do, right? So yeah, this is all about the grid view one. Fair enough, we can. This is already commented, that's fine. So until here, okay, this if is terminated with this and if, and this and if is terminated with this and if, okay, this and if, right? So we remove all this, right? So we have to be very careful while doing it, otherwise we may get stuck uh, uh, and you will lose a lot of time to find out what has happened. So be sure that what you're doing. Anyway, we have made a copy, as you see, that we have already got the copy of it. So nothing has to worry. We have made a copy. We have our previous thing saved. Okay, next is what? We will continue searching. If we have any other grid view thing left for us to find it out, right? Yeah, this one. Okay, so this is also dealing with the grid view, which we already have deleted. So let's remove this as well, and the find is true, and this and that. Okay, product change. Yeah. So this is about the product change. Means as soon as you change the product, uh, and it increases the number. That's fine. Okay. So uh, also it is sending a found. If the product is found, then true. If it is not found, then the grid view. That's okay. So we can remove this as well. Okay. The rest we keep it like this. Okay. The next is this is fine, and this is fine. And what is this? Yeah. This control is no longer valid now. Uh, this is a event that we were checking if something has some addition, some editing or for the change in the column. Also, the cell change was also there, the cell chain also, okay? So we remove all these things. We remove all these things. Yeah. So this will take us out of the because when you remove a procedure or make a change in the procedure name, so you will have to you have to terminate the debugger. Okay, that's okay. That's no problem. We keep on doing our good work, which we are doing, and we get back to here. And what we were doing, we were searching the grid view. Fine, next, right? So this is now we can remove this as well. Okay. Fine, next. We can remove this as well. And we can remove this as well. Sorry. Mm. This is all about the line items, right? Oh, this can be removed altogether. Okay, so plenty of things are no longer now. So now, order to before update, this is fine, but we will keep searching the grid view one. Okay, so this is as this is already commented. Now, we have already removed this project, right? This is a procedure, a sub-procedure of call, right? And what else? This one is already commented. This is commented. That's it. We have removed everything because we have been searching the current project. So this is how you quickly target the statements, the code VBA sections, which have to be adjusted. And then we have to re-verify if everything is working fine. It's working fine. Hey, that's fine. And if we make a change, let's enter. Yes, it works. It's still working. Why? Although we haven't done plenty of things. So now, so we can uh, proceed to our next lesson. This is this. So it has automatically taken the name and this. That's fine. Okay. Now, in this session, what we are going to do, we have seen that how to clear the tab, how to remove the page. So you remember there was a page we have removed, and the code associated with the creative control that was also removed. Okay, so this we have done. The last thing you are supposed to do is do away with the installation. We go to the setting of the window because it was a third-party proprietary third-party system. So that is has to be uninstalled. So go to the application. So this is a secret. I did not right away uninstalled it, and first of all, I kept it. I made a copy of it. I removed. I took all the things which I could have copied from it, and now since it is we are going to say it. Uh, we have to search. It, it should not happen that we accidentally remove some other thing. So just assuming that this was the control and we remove. No, this is not the control. That control has a name. So you have to search it. It's a grid view sort of thing. It's a grid, right? Yeah, this one, MSP, grid control. This was the one. So we will uninstall it. Okay, uninstall it. Okay, this is it has to be done with administrative permissions, and which I already have got. Are you sure? Sure, please go away. Okay, so yes to all. Yeah, so MSG for this. These can be removed manually. There are some elements could not be removed. Okay, no problem. So normally it should have removed everything, but it does. It has told you that it is still keeping certain things, okay, which have to be removed. But anyway, we leave it like this, and we get back to our this. Now we save it. We save our file, and we close the file too. Okay. What we'll do, we will close by this. So saving and closing. Okay. Okay. So Right. Now what we do is we we get back to here and we reload our today's session 167, right? With that. And we reload and see the the indication which was coming about the ActiveX control is removed or not, right? So when you see that, so it should, yes, it is now stopped coming, right? Now this is a normal thing. You can update it, you don't update it, and you can find out that what are those controls, what are those objects which my file is linked. Okay, so we can install. So we, for the moment, we say don't update. Okay, that's right. Okay, so I could not load an object here because it is not available on this machine. Okay, so this we can find it out that what is it actually available, which with which it is contained, because that might be the installation of the third third party software, the control. So uh, you can go and find out using the links, external links, and error checking or something like this, you know. So you can remove the means you can evaluate the formulas, right? And you can evaluate the other linkages from here, okay? And find it out that what is it. Another thing we can do is when we reload this, let's close it and reload it, right? And we say update. Hmm? Where is 167? Our 167 to this. This is 168. Yeah, this is the right one. We might have loaded the wrong file. So this is 509, yeah. 168 is fine. This is part 36, fine. Okay, so this is the right file which we should open. And let's see if it has some connectivity to external links. You see, it is gone. So we were opening the wrong file actually. So this is the right file, and it is, as expected, it is now not showing you the message which it is showing in the other files, right? Because there you have the reference to some third party ActiveX control, but now you do no longer have it, right? So this is done, and it is now when you run it, so you do not have the previous control, you have the current control, and you make sure that it is working. So this is how we clear the thing safely, right? So these are the steps I wanted to share with you. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much. See you in our next session.